Samsung launched the Galaxy A07. This model deserved better than a quiet launch because it has many upgrades over the original A06. It's powered by the Helio G99 processor, which is old, but the major improvement over the G85 that came in last year's model. This chip is built on a newer 6nm processor and features a new architecture of Cortex A76 CPU and Mali-G57 GPU. It comes with Android 15 One UI 7 out of the box and will be supported with 6 Android updates. That's more than A06, which is only getting 2 updates. The new model has basic ingress protection with IP54 rating. You get a 6.7-inch LCD screen, which is for HD plus only with 90 Hz refresh rate. You get a notch for the camera. Neither is unexpected. You get a 8 megapixel camera with f2.0. On the back, you get a 50 megapixel main camera with 2 megapixel depth camera. The main camera can record full HD at 30 frames per second. It's a dual SIM 4G phone with a dedicated slot for micro SD card slot. You get 3.5 headphone jack with other connectivity options such as Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, USB 2.0 port. It charges at 5000 mAh battery at 25 watts. It weighs 184 grams. It was announced in Indonesia and you get 464 to 8256 GB models. The pricing is more or less start from $85 for the base model going up to the higher model.